Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are in Albufeira New Town beach and we're going to take a little walk, so let's see Wagwan, you all know the vibe. So yeah, the beach is a little bit more crazy than we remembered. Just show you guys that the tide looks like it's coming really far. But that might just be normal for this time of year. Feels like it's getting a little bit windier as well. It's been an absolutely stunning day. Oh, that cocktail looks really nice. So you've got a few nice little restaurants here. You can just chill out. You've got the beach. Everything you need, which is good. I don't think we've ever actually eaten at these restaurants here. We always get a drink, don't we?
Yeah.
So it's a nice place just to have a nice drink. Yeah, is this beach underrated? Which one do you prefer, the Old Town or the Oura Beach? They're very different, aren't they?
Yeah.
They are very, very different. But I quite like that. I like that you've got that choice. We have also got a hidden gem, a nice beach on the channel if you are looking for something a little bit more off the beaten track and not so touristy. Really, really lovely beach that we usually like to go to. And then we went to, I can't remember the name of the area, but we went to a new area the last time we were here as well. So check out our beach videos. We have got loads on the channel.
Just check the Algarve playlist.
Yeah, Algarve playlists when you're on our channel after you've obviously liked and subscribed and everything.
I probably had a drunk signal.
Check out the Algarve playlist. Doing cocktail shaking over there. So this is usually like ram, so it will be sort of like around dinner time. Not to scare anyone off. Siesta, yeah. And we've had it's been really good weather, do not get me wrong, it's been absolutely perfect, but today has been extraordinary, so we are feeling very tired. And we had a big lunch. We had like our dinner for lunch and that has just made me feel very sleepy. Comment below if you're the same, you go out for a good meal and then you just kind of feel like, yeah, no, I need a nap. I need a good coffee, I think. Might have to stop off and have an Irish coffee. Right, let's keep going. So yeah, I do find it, some people might not actually come down to this beach because if you do stay in Old Town, you have got a lovely beach there and you've got everything sort of like on your doorstep, so you might not even think to come down to this one. Or vice versa. I would definitely recommend it. And then again, we've got these MGM hotels. We were trying to figure out earlier how many MGM hotels are in this area that we're in now. We've gone past 2 already. This will be our 3rd. There are quite a lot of them. So yeah, you can go and do your tours, coves, dolphins. You can depart from here Thursday, 11 a.m. Right, again, I think I've mentioned it is quite hilly here, so there is a lot of walking up hills. So if you're into doing a glutes workout, this is the place. A nice little viewpoint there. We made it. So this area is nice, you've got all your benches. It's a nice little viewpoint. So that one is the Grand Monaco Collection. Let me know if you stayed there. It looks like a big boat. And then you got this as the view. And we have done the walk along the beach as well. So if you do want to see it from the other side, because you've got all these like little coves which is what's quite magical about Portugal and the coastline, is you've got that sort of main strip. It's that big area there. But then if you keep walking all the way along, and then you've got like another little kind of cove, and then that will just keep going as you go round.
This bit was out more, so here there was more going out, but it's all falling down into the sea.
It does say that. I mean, you have seen the big sort of signs. When we get to one, it has like be careful of like the rocks and everything, because they had some really bad storms. When was the storms? Back at the sort of mid-March or early March, February sort of time, and it did destroy quite a lot of the area. So all the way over there, can't zoom in on this one. We have done a walk along that bit as well. Again, on a good day, really nice walk. Right, let's carry on. So yeah, these are all scattered along. So again, this is definitely worth a visit. Definitely worth coming down if you are staying in the old town. The new town isn't just for youngsters. Yes, it does have a bit more nightlife, and I'd say the cuisine is aimed more at that sort of age, but it still does have a really nice beach. So this must be part of the hotel, I'm guessing. Was it a restaurant? Boat bar, there we go. Boat bar. And then that's that little cove I was just sort of telling you guys about. See that sort of sign there? So yeah, you do have to be careful. You've got your stairs going down. So yeah, just bear that in mind if you have got mobility issues. MGM. It does look like a boat. I will give it that. It does look like the decks of the boat. Looks very big. Is it worth the money? I don't know how much it is, but I'm guessing with the view, it's going to be a few pennies. So you've got a beach cafe, and then you've got these like little viewpoints as well. But again, like Kirk was saying earlier, just make sure you're careful. It's quite crazy, isn't it? It wraps all the way around. Right, we'll walk along the nice bit because you did not tune in to see a miserable day. Really, really nice. I do like to walk about on holiday. I feel like you find more little locations, little kind of viewpoints, little beaches, little kind of things. You meet more people. I do like being in my hotel, but especially if you're at a hotel that's not so busy, if it's, you know, not a lot of people to talk to, you don't really get out. So yeah, I'm definitely get out of the hotel, go for a walk, go for a wander, see what's about, go to the different beaches or, you know, landmarks, whatever it is. And then I find you get to sort of talk to people a lot more. But at the same time, I do see the appeal of just chilling at a hotel. And if you go to, like I said, one like this, maybe there is more people and you sort of get to mingle and make friends that way. But yeah, this is definitely worth a long weekend. So if you haven't got anyone to go with, I'd definitely put it on the list. I think for solo travelling, this is a perfect place. And there's loads to do to keep you sort of entertained. Loads of restaurants, the food's really good. Loads of entertainment. I don't think you really need to go with anyone, but it is also really good for hen and stag do's. And if you're coming out with like mates and stuff, it's a good variety here. Really good variety. And again, this is the beginning of the season, so you can imagine when it's like peak time, and it's like really busy. Give you guys an idea of where we are. So we did run into a couple. We didn't get their names, but lovely meeting you. And they did tell us about a video they watched about a beach, and they had to sort of figure out where it is. So we will try and put in locations when we go to different places. Be in the title, make your lives easier. But they found it, so that was the main thing. They had a good time. So we're just going down to the beach cafe. And then we'll show you, basically, you cross over this little bridge and you can walk all the way around. If you enjoy walking, this is a nice little day out, and it's a perfect way to catch the rays without realising you've caught the sun. Oh, made it down. So you got this other little beach here. So again, you wouldn't have sort of seen that from where we started. Kirk up there. Let's have a look at the prices. There we go. And you got one of those cute little seats, beach cafe. And then you got this as your little viewpoint. So yeah, not bad. So if you make it here, it's a good place to have a quick stop, have a breather, have a sandwich, have a pint, have something to drink, entertain yourselves. And I think that is exactly what I'm going to do, because it is roasting. If you guys have made it to the end, I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to like, it really does help push the content, help other people like yourselves find out about Albufeira or any of the other destinations we've been to. And if you enjoy the content, like. Thank you. See you guys in the next one.